Welcome to the Sage Doctor tutorial on how to resolve the error 1721. Hi, I'm Anna. I will walk you through this course. Step 1. 1. Select Windows Start, then Run. 2. Type in CMD to open a command prompt. Type the following commands: MSIEXEC/UNREGISTER, MSIEXEC/REGSERVER. After the installer has been re-registered, try to reinstall Sage 50. Take a backup of the registry. Select Windows Start, then Run. Type regedit in the open box, then select OK. Highlight My Computer or Computer. Select File, then Export. Select All in Export Range, then choose a location to save the registry backup. Step 3. Select Edit, then Find. Type 363A569C-E-B249-4DCEFA3E. Select Find Next. All keys named 363A561-423A-89C5-B249-4DCEFA3E in the registry should be deleted. If the key is in another folder named 363A56EE-EF5one-423A-89C5-B249-4DCEFA3E in the left pane, delete the whole folder 363A56EE-EF5one-423A-89C5-B249-4DCEFA3E instead. Press the F3 key on your keyboard to continue searching for the next key that contains the value. Hope you learned something new in this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.